I get it. You want to spray me. You want it only 40 weary. You go really pay that. You know they. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Damie Alabi. Today we are doing a reaction video. I am doing a reaction video. I am reacting to TikTok, Owambe TikTok. I just randomly thought of it. There should be Owambe content on TikTok. So how about we do a reaction? This should be fun. So I'm just going to go straight into my phone, open TikTok and type Owambe. I don't know if people use the hashtag Owambe. There's a little this thing. So some people spell Owambe as Owambe, the Owanbe, and some people spell it as Owambe. So we'll just check for Owambe because that's the correct spelling. Okay, funny enough, we have a few TikToks. This should be fun. I have to watch this again. I have to watch this again. Sorry. Different types of ashoebi. I want to assume that this person is not Yoruba because we don't spell Asho with H. If you want to spell Ashoebi, you be Jandi, like you Abi. Is it Jandi? Longer Abi. Wayondi. There should be no H. So she wrote ASHO. It's not ASHO, it's ASO. Ebi. Dress for reception, dress for bridesmaid. I have to give it to her though. Her body is snatched, man. Dress for naming ceremony. Why would I want to wear this for? Unless you are the one that gave birth. Why would I want to wear this for them? I've gone for naming ceremony that I want to. So let them know. I mean, I'm here to celebrate with you, but why would I wear wrapper and blouse for Igbo traditional wedding? Igbo traditional wedding, I don't know what they wear to, but I want to assume that you wear the same clothes. Mogbo Moya, Mo branch. You see people that do Mogbo Moya, their own dressing used to pass the people that they invited, so I would understand. I mean, I like it. Nice. Overall, she has a very nice body. She has nice collection of clothes. I mean, I'll wear any of these clothes to anyway. It doesn't really matter. This one is type of spenders at Owambe or in Owambe. The calm spenders. Hey. You see those? You see camp spenders, and camp spenders are like the billionaires. You know, they don't need to make noise. They just throw it. You see those gra spender like the one here. They probably just went to go and change 100 naira outside. They will not enter and then they spend 15 naira past 100 naira. You see camp spenders, they spend like 500, 1,000 naira. But those people that are spending 100 naira actually doing your own is too much. This is very accurate actually. Now them, so like they will not do a change one, try to get everybody to see that spending money. Or $10 spender. The first time I actually saw this saying, like people that they will hold their money and tell you to spray yourself, I was like, what? So this is actually very accurate. So they will hold the money and you'll be like spray yourself, and then you will not want to do a change and carry the money because look in your mind you're like just give it. So they will hold the money like this and then you will be spraying the money on yourself. I've seen this before. The accuracy is bad. Yes. I think Igbo people like to spend money like this as well. As in slappers. I've never seen one, but I know there are people that like to slap me to me. Like, I get it. You want to spray me, you want it only 40 weary. You go really pay that. You know they. It's actually funny. And then you'll be there taking the money. You'll be taking the slap because you need the money. That was actually really nice. That was nice. Let me like it. I didn't like the other one. Entering an Owambe party. Why is everywhere shaking? Oh. Okay, so basically, what I get from this TikTok is when she's with her dad's family, she's really very calm, or maybe they are very judgmental, and with the mom's family is all vibes. Well, I can't relate because I don't think I've ever had a most of the Owambe that I attend, as much as most of the Owambe that I attend are my friends Owambes. Whenever I go out with my parents, I'm never, I'm just calm. I respect myself, whether mom's side or dad side. We don't really throw parties as much, so I really can't relate. But I know that there are some people that say that their mom's family is really lit than their dad's family. But I can't relate. Is a party after party. All right. Says when I know Owambe comes after lockdown. Oh, she's selling her. I was going to say that there's no way I'm going to go to an Owambe looking like this. Like, what is this? What is this? Explain to me. If I'm going to go to an Owambe after lockdown, which I haven't attended. Funny enough, I have 2 this weekend, but I'm not going to any. But if I'm even going to go to an Owambe, I won't go dressed like this too. After lockdown. First, the lace overflowing. I saw my overflow. The woman stone. Oh, I'm speaking Yoruba. Sorry, English. The lace I will wear will be flowing. They will stone it. Then the nose mask. Then the gele. Like she's not tying gele. She's wearing wig. Who weave but off wig. Gele. All the gele I've been practicing during lockdown. But I mean, to each his own. She's selling her fabric, which it looks good. Would have been a lot better if she made something more of it. I mean, it looks. I won't go to Owambe like this. I will never be caught dead. I'd rather not go than look like this. This one I wear on Sunday. I wear on Sunday. This one I wear on Monday. I wear on Monday. This one I wear on Wednesday. I also Tuesday. This one I wear on Friday. This is for Saturday. Okay, so now reacting to this TikTok that we just saw, right? Growing up, my mom had a lot of these shoes. When she comes back, I'm going to show her that. Come on, see the shoe you used to do shakara, like all those pointy shoes. Where did this person find these shoes? Like, did she go and I don't know? Like, I remember then my mom used to have each bag to each shoe. She still does it, but like then it was crazy. She had this army green pointy shoe that was like I'm going to look for the picture. Like whenever she wore that shoe, I always feel like there's no body concerning no. Like it's actually funny. This one says different Yoruba women at parties, aka Owambe. Okay, this person is describing women at parties. Well, I feel like there are a lot more women than at parties than this. It's just basically people that spray money. There's someone spraying money. There's someone collecting money. You see the one you missed out. My mom calls them the clearing and forwarding agents. What are they there for? They are there to clear the table, forward it to their bag, or forward it to their children at home. People that spray money. What else are those? People that share souvenir. That I feel like they carry the life for, like if they are not the ones, nobody else. I have a video of a woman. I'll do for the vlog where I went to a party and this woman was serving food, I think, and she was acting like as if no, it's food that human being has not eaten before. It was just hilarious. I'll look for the video. Oh. It's fine. So basically, I guess she did this during lockdown where we could not go anywhere, and she's bringing out all her clothes and remembering them. I can so relate. Like I can relate when we cannot go out. It's just such a beautiful moment. I could have done that too. In fact, my Ashwebi, funny enough, I've never even seen my Ashwebi in I have a what's it called? I don't want to say I have a wardrobe. I don't have a wardrobe. I have a compartment for just my ashwebis in my brother's room. I bullied him for that space, and I've not even gone there to even see my clothes in like months. So I can relate.
Onídúró mi ẹ ṣeun onídúró mi ẹ ṣeun púpọ̀ onídúró.
I actually miss what's it called now? I'm recording for like 30 minutes. I actually miss live band. There was a day because I had not like listened to live band in such a long time. I went to YouTube, I went to download Fuji Praise because I didn't have Fuji Praise. I went to download Fuji Praise just to listen, like, and I put it on speaker because I was like, I miss, yeah, you guys get what I mean. So yeah. It says Nigerians after food has
I want
gone
to go
round
home,
and they didn't
please.
get it.
Why do you want to go home, Jane? Are you on drugs? Are
As
you
in-
on drugs? Why do I want to go home?
I've done a video where I've said that before you go for Owambe, make sure you eat from your house. You put noise to your word. That is why you will go to party and you'll be angry that they not give you food. It's actually quite painful when they don't serve you food. Like I said it before, right? But it should not pay you this much. However, servers and all those mama that used to feel like as if they own the world. God is watching you people. Okay, this is somebody going out. Address is fine. Address is fine. I wish I could rock it, but I can't because I'll just look extra poofy. Those are the videos we'll be reacting to today. Let me know which one of them resonated with you the most, which one of them you feel like represented you. Are you the person that when you go to Owambe and you don't get food, you'll be annoyed? Or you're the one that is always spraying money? Or you're the one that we go and carry old shoe and be rocking? Let's have a conversation down below. Yeah, thanks so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let's chat. Bye guys.